guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be testing out the not so new anymore Foundcealer by Tarte Cosmetics. I know I'm a little late with this foundation, but I also didn't see that many people review it. So I'm so excited to see how this Foundcealer